In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create viral motion graphics in Canva without animation skills. We'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end you'll have a slick, eye-catching clip ready to post. Start by opening a new project in Canva. Choose a video or Instagram Reels template, depending on where you plan to share. Set your background to black, or another high-contrast color. High contrast makes movement pop, and it helps text and graphics stand out, especially on small screens. Next, head to the Elements tab. In the search bar, try terms like animated stick figure, running man, or bouncing ball. Make sure you filter to animated results so everything you pick already has motion built in. As you browse, aim for a consistent look, similar line styles or colors, so your final video feels cohesive. Now let's give your elements purposeful movement with Canva's Motion Path feature. Click an element on your canvas. Choose Animate. Then create an animation. Click and drag the element across the screen to draw its path. If you want a perfectly straight path, hold Shift while you drag. This gives you clean horizontal or vertical movement that's easy to follow. Customize the movement to match your message. Use the speed control to slow the action down for clarity, or speed it up for energy. Choose a style like smooth for a flowing feel or steady for a precise, linear move. Canva shows the path with purple lines, so you can fine-tune until it looks right. Preview often and adjust until the motion feels natural. Add your text and give it life. Type your motivational line, then open text animations and try options like pop, typewriter, or fade. Pick an effect that complements your graphics and use the animation speed, so the words land in sync with the on-screen motion. Short, high-impact phrases are easiest to read at a glance. If you are working with multiple scenes, connect them using the match and move transition. This tells Canva to track your elements between scenes, creating a fluid handoff that looks polished and intentional. It's a simple way to elevate the overall flow. Use it between each scene to gently guide the viewer's eye and keep momentum. Before you export, do one last preview from start to finish. Look for any abrupt stops, spacing issues, or elements that drift off screen, and nudge their paths or speeds until everything feels intentional. When you are happy with everything, click Share and download your project as an MP4 video file. MP4 is widely supported and keeps animation smooth across platforms. Thanks for watching.